Hi, I'm Mike with Become a Better Guitar Player, and today I'm going to show you how to play Folsom Prison Blues by Johnny Cash. It's a really fun song to play. So let's get started with the lesson, all right? And if you like this video, like and subscribe to our channel. It doesn't cost a thing, and it helps us out a lot, all right? So let's get started with the lesson here. So this song has basically 3 chords. We're going to play this E major, we're going to play an A major, then we're going to play this B7. So to start out with the song, it goes. I guess to start out, I have a capo on my 1st fret. I'm not so sure if Johnny Cash used a capo or if they just tuned high. But if you want to play along with anything on YouTube, it's tuned a bit higher, okay? So anyway, for this purpose of this lesson, I've got a capo on the 1st fret here. So the song starts out like this. It starts out with a... and it ends on, then it starts out on this E chord. Open A string, 3rd fret. It's the 2nd fret without a capo. Then you're going to put your finger on the 1st fret up here on the D string. Back to the 2nd fret of the A, then to the 2nd fret of the E. So it goes. Then you end on this E major chord. It's got that sort of a I don't know, a train chugging kind of a rhythm to it. You mute it with your picking hand. Then you switch to an A. That's going to be the 2nd fret of the D, G, and the B. And back to the E. To the B. At the end of the B chord, you're gonna reach over with your pinky and hit the 3rd fret on the E string. Then go back to that E chord. Okay, so it goes like this. Then it comes into the first little lead. So it starts out with this slide on the B string down here to the 10th fret. And then your first finger is going to be on the E string back here on the 8th fret. Then I take my third finger and I go up and down on the 11th fret here. So it goes. Then it slides back to this, this is an A chord, but he's picking the notes on it. That's going to be, you're going to bar across the E and the B string with your first finger. You're going to put your second finger on the 7th fret of the G string, and you're going to put your ring finger down here on the 8th fret of the D string. And you're going to take your pinky and you're going to put it down on the E and the B string and lift it up. From there, it goes back up to the E chord up here. What he's doing with this E chord is kind of what a lot of country people do. They'll make this E chord up here, and then they'll take their first finger and go up and down on this G string here on the 1st fret, and then put your pinky down here on the 2nd fret of the B string. So it goes like this. Then it goes to that back to the B chord. From the B chord, it goes to the 3rd fret here, which is the 2nd fret below the capo. Then back to the E chord. And it goes through the chord progression one more time. It plays the lead another time, and it plays it just like it did the first time. And it goes through the lyrics one more time, and then it ends on that B chord again, like the intro. And you strum out on that D chord. So it's a real nice, fun, old country song to play, and you can, if you feel like finger picking and getting fancy, have at it. It's a great song to do that because it's only a couple of chords. So I hope you like this. If you did, like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a good day.